Hi creatives, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how you can create a banner, quick and easy banner using Microsoft Publisher. And I already have my templates open up, so I'm going to insert a rectangle right here. This video is just going to show you a quick and easy way that you can use Publisher to create something quite different and interesting using basic shapes. So I have arranged the rectangle or square right here, and I'm going to fill it with a color. Let's go with the greenish, tealish, aquamarine color. Okay, that's teal. And I'm going to resize it a bit because I want the shape to be covering approximately half of the banner. So this is a preview of what it will look like. And I'm going to change the outline color to the same color. I do not want that black mark within the banner. So now I'm going to insert some circles. I'm going to put these circles randomly within the color to create a certain effect. They're going to be white. So I'm just randomly copying these circles and placing them within that area. After which I'm going to resize them. As you can see right here, I'm creating some negative spaces for a desired effect. Just ensure that you place them quite randomly within the space. Ensure that they are not touching each other because that is not the effect you're going for. And they're just randomly different sizes and placed within that area. Now I'm going to move on to the other side where I'm going to create the opposite effect. Right, so I'm just copying stuff and this is what it looks like. Just having a preview of what the pages sizes are. So you just keep playing around with it, add as much circles as you like, or add less if you like, whatever suits your taste. And you're able to also add text. For this design, I'm going to place it on both sides with the design central piece being in the middle of the banner. We'll add some text on the left, increase the size of the font. This is all about being creative and adding your own flair. Now I'm adding some to the right. Increasing the size a little more. And just keep playing around with it until whatever is appealing to you the white because it would stand out more. As you can see, it's quite easy and simple, and this is what it would look like. If you're not satisfied with something, you can always just drag text box and reshape and resize whatever images or text boxes you have. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please ensure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Have a good day.